Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to set date of birth in eFootball 2027 mobile. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. Now setting the date of birth is available only for once when you launch the game for the first time. So if you have never played the eFootball 2027 mobile and you have installed and playing the game for the first time, only then you can set the date of birth. So first of all, launch the game and select the language. Then it will ask you to set the country or region of residence. So simply select the country or region, and then in the next screen you will see the birth year and month. So tap on birth year and month, tap on this arrow icon, and then you can select the month over here, and here you can select the year, and then tap on done button to confirm it. So this is how you can set the birth year and birth month in eFootball 2027 mobile. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.